jar for. You need one little funny teaspoon of honey.
How many honey? How much?
1 teaspoon only for jar. Smells very nice too.
Right, turn it around like this.
Yeah, I know.
Turn it around. Alright, now put it in. That's it.
You have to put all of it in to make sure it works.
And what else goes in that one?
And then 3 tablespoons of oil.
Alright. Put that down, put it down. Go and do your oil. Here. In there. Oh, so oil goes in all of them?
Yes, it does.
Oh.
Your little fat scientist is here.
How long is your video going to go for?
I had to stop and start.
Why?
It's too much.
No, it's not.
It's 1 tablespoon.
Too much?
You don't have to bang it.
Yeah.
Doesn't need that. Doesn't say bang on the jar. No, that'll do. Move that
And you
over.
need some water. 1 tablespoon of water. To make your big belly experiment with.
Stop showing off.
Stop being an old fart.
1 tablespoon. That's it. It's 1 tablespoon. Put it down.
And now don't forget, always grab all of your big belly lids.
And what jar is the last one?
Jar 5, but except you need to stir it.
No, we'll stir it last. But only the number 5 one only.
Now you need 1 teaspoon of morning fresh.
Which one? What?
Morning fresh.
How much?
1 teaspoon.
Oh.
Don't
You
worry.
can't.
Wait, I'll wipe
Well,
it.
hold on. What else goes in it?
And,
Just what else?
and then 3 tablespoons of oil and 1 tablespoon of water. So it's okay. So I'm just gonna wipe it.
No, not the mustard one. No, stop.